what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. We're making cornbread today. I'm gonna stop talking because I love it. Let's get started. This cornbread is great. It goes great with like chickens, spicy stuff. You know, it's really, really good, savory. So let's get started. We're gonna start with the cornbread. We're gonna start with the cornmeal. Add in the flour. So basically all the dry ingredients is what we're adding in. Salt, the sugar, cinnamon, and the baking powder. I'm gonna take a whisk and whisk that all together. Okay, so now we're gonna do the wet ingredients and we're gonna combine them first and then add them to the dry mixture. So what I like to do is the melted butter. I'm gonna add the milks, like I said, the coconut milk and the almond milk to that, as well as the extract, the vanilla extract. Stir that up just a little bit. Then I'm gonna add it. And like I said, this is super, super easy. Right, that is it. We are done. So is the cornbread, and I cannot wait to tuck into these. So if you enjoyed this video, please remember to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment below, tell me what you thought, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you always know when I upload awesome new videos just like this one. All right, I'm gonna go eat this. You go make yours, and I'll see you next time right back here on Edible Fitness. Bye.